Performance Task 4.
Good day everyone. The members of this group are Caitlin Agor, Marcin Bagos, and Bart Lawrence James Ariano. For today's video, we are going to find the height of a condominium by using the concept of trigonometry. The materials that we are going to use are clinometer, steel tape, and a calculator. Let's get started.
This is Marcelino Bacos. I'm going to measure the height of this building.
To find the height of the condominium or the building, we must find a spot to measure the angle of elevation from the top of the building, measure the distance from the eye level of the observer to the ground, and measure the distance from the observer's foot to the base of the building or condominium. After looking for a spot or standing point, first we have to measure the angle of elevation using a clinometer. Our angle of elevation depends on where the string is located or pointed on the protractor, which is 135 degrees, and then subtract it to 90 degrees. Therefore, our angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Second, we have to measure the distance of the observer's eye level to the ground, which is 1.48 meters. Third, we have to measure the distance of the observer's spot or standing point to the base of the building, which is 5.5 meters. Now that we found our important values, it's time to solve for the height of the building. Mark is 5.5 m far from the building. Given that the angle of elevation at the top of the building from Mark's eyesight is 45 degrees and the distance of Mark's eye level to the ground is 1.48 m, find the height of the building. From the given, the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. The distance from Mark's eye level to the ground is 1.48 m, and the distance of Mark's foot to the base of the building is 5.5 m. We denote x as the partial height of the building and y as the total height of the building. The height of the building is missing, so we are going to solve for it. The concept of trigonometry that we are going to use to find the height of the building is tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. First, we are going to solve for the partial height of the building, x. The formula we are going to use is tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. Then we are going to substitute the values, and that becomes tangent 45 equals x over 5.5 m. After substituting the values, we are going to cross multiply it, which then becomes tangent 45 times 5.5 m equals to x. Multiply tangent 45 to 5.5 m, it becomes 5.5 m. Therefore, the value of x, or the partial height of the building, is 5.5 m. Lastly, we are going to solve for the total height of the building, y. The total height of the building is equals to the sum of x, which is 5.5 m, and the distance of Mark's eye level to the ground, which is 1.48 m. Add 5.5 m to 1.48, it becomes 6.98 m. Therefore, the value of y, or the total height of the building, is 6.98 m.
We finally found the height of the building. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Have a pleasant day, month, and year. God bless and goodbye.